Have you ever wondered about the traditional drink that embodies the spirit of Colombia? Today, we're exploring the fiery water of Colombia, Aguardiente. Aguardiente translates to fiery water and is a distilled spirit made from sugarcane, which has become an integral part of Colombian culture. This traditional beverage holds significant cultural value in Colombia and is often associated with celebrations such as parties, festivals, and even casual gatherings among friends. Aguardiente's production involves fermenting sugarcane molasses or sugarcane juice before distillation. This process gives the spirit its distinct flavor and high alcohol content, typically around 29 to 40% ABV. The drink is so popular that Colombians often mix it with other beverages. For example, a common mixture in Colombia includes light beer and an orange-flavored soda called Colombiana. Aguardiente is not just about taste, it's deeply intertwined with Colombian music and dance, especially during the celebration of festivals like the Bogotá Festival, where its consumption complements the vibrant atmosphere. Understanding Aguardiente is crucial to appreciating Colombian culture. This drink symbolizes a connection between tradition and celebration, making it an iconic part of Colombia's identity. So there you have it, Aguardiente is more than just a drink, it's a cultural treasure. What do you think about this fiery spirit of Colombia? Share your thoughts in the comments below.